Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video WhatsApp scan document option not showing in your WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your WhatsApp new option scan document not showing, when you select document, here you will find scan document. If in your WhatsApp also you are not seeing this option, so then what you have to do, you have to just first long press on your WhatsApp, click on this I button. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, once tap on clear cache, then go back, then check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to open the Play Store, then search for WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp is not up to date, then update it. After updating, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to open the Play Store again, tap on the WhatsApp, scroll down, here you will find app support. You have to just tap on this. In this you will find three options: website, email and privacy policy. You have to just select email, select your email app, then you have to type some of the matter like this: dear WhatsApp support team, I am facing with your application, the scan document option is not showing on my device. Even I have updated the app to the latest version. I have tried restarting the app and device, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. You have to write this type of matter and tap on send. After that you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After that your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix scan document option is missing on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.